GM has been teasing their new upcoming electric vehicles. You've seen this story, the way you did a slow nod.
I did, yeah.
You saw this story.
Very impressive. It just looks really nice.
This is really cool. So I'm actually excited for these two new models they're putting out. They have the Lyric and the Celestiq or Celestiq.
Yeah.
Anyway, these are their new EV models, and it's kind of like from the ground up type of thing. Big investment into EVs, and these are supposed to be very luxurious vehicles. Like we're in a whole new era as far as GM is concerned. That's what I'm being told. Anyway, the automaker themselves, they describe the Celestiq as an ultra-luxury, fully electric show car. And we don't know everything about these at this point. I mean, we've obviously seen teasers and things like that, but they just showed off a new feature, the full glass roof on the Celestiq. And it's a panoramic roof that takes things to another level with modularly adjustable quadrants. So it has a 4-quadrant setup, and each user in one of the 4 vehicle quadrants can select what they want the glass roof to do. If they want it to be dim, so they want to sort of close it off, kind of how a cover would cover up, but not. It's all digital and inside of the glass itself. And it's in these cool futuristic looking lines. So you can see in this particular video clip, the driver is blacking out their section, where somebody in the back right seat who wants the light to come through can just leave their glass portion open. It's kind of like an on-demand tint.
Yes.
4-quadrant suspended particle device smart glass allows each occupant to set their own level of transparency, and the tint of the glass will match the ambient lighting in the interior of the cabin. These are wild ideas. Very luxurious and interesting stuff. It's not the only thing they showed off. Obviously, they're also talking about their upcoming enormous displays, 33-inch LED infotainment display that'll be in the Lyric. It's going to be curved, and it has to come out, and the Celestiq is a similar one. It has to come out and compete against the likes of Mercedes-Benz. We showed their upcoming display in the EQS. It's the display wars. It's the infotainment wars. It's really the interior of the car wars.
Yeah. That matters. It's just as much.
Maybe more.
Maybe more.
Maybe more. As people start to imagine this autonomous future, everybody wants their cars to be limousines, man.
Yeah.
They want them to be
so cool.
the ultimate comfort zone. The Cadillac Celestiq is going to include Super Cruise, which is GM's hands-free advanced driver assist system. So keep that in mind.